Ex-poor people, what is a habit you still have from when you used to be poor? Both of my parents came from immigrant families. We were pretty well off growing up, but you didn't dare waste any food or complain about what was in front of you. If you did, you didn't eat dinner. There was no other food on the menu. Because of that, I can pretty much eat anything and anywhere. Also, whenever I go out, if I do not finish what I'm eating, it is getting wrapped up. If someone at my table isn't getting his/hers wrapped, it's going in my box too. I have no shame.